Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I make this crunchy chin that you can enjoy with your family and friends. It's a great snack that the kids and the adults will also enjoy. Keep watching. These are all the ingredients I will be using for the chin. I have 6 cups of flour. I have 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter. I have milk. I have sugar, vanilla extract, nutmeg, and baking soda. Okay, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'll add in my sugar. I'm adding in 1 cup of sugar. Then I'll add half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can skip nutmeg if you don't like nutmeg. It's optional. Okay, then at this point I supposed to add in my baking soda, but sometimes you just forget. But by the time I remember, I put it in the video later. You're gonna see it later in the video. Then now I'm just gonna add in my butter. I have to cut my butter into tiny pieces, and I'll use my hand to mash it together till the butter is well incorporated with the flour. Okay, as you can see, at this point I just want to say thank you so much everyone for joining my YouTube channel, for subscribing, and also following me on my Facebook page. Okay, now this is the baking soda that I supposed to add earlier. I just had like a half teaspoon of baking soda to it. Then I'll just mix it together. I just use my spatula to mix mix it together. Then in a clean bowl I'm gonna be mixing my wet ingredient. Okay, now I'm just gonna crack my 2 eggs. As you can see, I have 2 eggs. Then I'm gonna add in my vanilla extract, just like a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll add it to it, and I will whisk it together. Okay, I'm just gonna whisk it together with the spoon to get together. Then I'll go ahead and put a hole inside the flour. Then I'll pour the whisk egg inside. Then I'll just mix it together. After mixing it together a little bit, then I'll go ahead and add in my milk. Okay, I'm using condensed milk for this chin. Okay, my condensed milk, I diluted it with water. You can use evaporated milk, or you can use whole milk. All depends on the milk you have, but what I'm using right now is evaporated milk. I went ahead and diluted it with water. I'm just going to add it. Make sure you don't add too much so that you don't have a soft dough. You want your dough to be strong. Okay, I'm just going to mix it together till it form a dough. Okay, I'm just going to mash it together. At this point, guys, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and make sure you share also. If you are new to my Facebook page, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for 10,000 followers. I appreciate every one of you that are following me on Facebook. I appreciate you guys, and also appreciate you all that are following me on YouTube also. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. May God bless every one of you. Now I'm just going to knead my dough, and I set it aside to rest for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm just going to make sure I clean the surface that I'm going to work with. I make sure I clean it. The surface is very clean. Then I added some flour. Then I'm just going to cut my dough into four equal parts. Then I'll work with 1 part. Okay, what I'll do next, I'm just going to roll my dough, and I'll get my rolling stick, and I rub it with a little flour. I make sure I flatten the dough properly. Then I'll cut with my pizza cutter. Okay, you can use knife. I find that if you cut it with pizza cutter, is more it's more faster. Okay, I'm just going to roll it. See, it's very I want it to be a little bit thin, because the more the thinner, the more your chin is crunchy. Okay, if you want to get a crunchy chin, make sure your dough, you roll it very thin. Okay, I'm just going to roll it with a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of more power. I'm rolling it, then I'll cut it with my pizza cutter. Guys, don't mind this pizza cutter. The thing is like going to left and right. You don't even cut a straight line, because this pizza cutter, I've had it for the past almost I don't even know, 3 or 4 years, and it's still a little bit good, but it's not like, if you're going straight, it will try to be going left. If you're going left, the pizza cutter will try to going right. Anyway, we move, you see, the line is not just straight at all, but we just have to deal with it. Look at my my cutting was just like, you know what, I said, you know what, I'm just going to cut it anyhow. I'm not going to sell it. It's just for eating. It doesn't matter the if it's straight or not. I'm just going to do what I can do, because I just want to be out of the kitchen. Because at that point, because before I make this chinchi, I've cooked I cook okra soup, and I was so tired. The children, they said they want chichi. I said, okay, let me just make them happy, and decided to make a chin chin for them. Now after cutting, I'm just going to fry it. I have my oil on the pan, or on the pot, whatever you call it, and I like to heat up. Then I'll fry it on a medium heat. Okay, don't allow your heat to be too hot, to be too high, so that you will not burn the chichi, and so that the chichi will cook properly inside, and it will be crunchy outside. Okay, I'm just trying to stay it together, so that the chinchi will separate. So, the chinchi will separate. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to make sure to separate the chin with the spoon. I'm just going to stir this, and fry the chinchi is golden brown. You're going to fry to your desired way that you want the desire. If you want it more brown, or you just want it less brown, all depends on you. Now the chicken is ready. I'm just going to take it out of the oil and put it on a paper towel, so that the paper towel will absorb the leftover oil. Okay, as you can see, the color of the chinchi, this chinchi was so yummy, was so crunchy. Then you can continue the same process with the rest chinchi. As you can see, I'm adding the rest of the chinchi. I'm just going to do the same thing, stir it up with my spoon, so that they will not be stick together. To loosen it up, I'll fry it till they are all ready to eat. Guess what, guys, as I'm making this voiceover, okay, the chicken is already almost done. Okay, because I made the chicken, let's say I made it today is as I'm doing this video right now, today is Friday, and I made the chicken on Wednesday. Guess what, guys, the chinchin is almost done. Like my kids, they love chinchin, they love chinchin. Now this is the rest part, and the chinchin is ready, guys. Of course, I also gave some to my friend, my neighbor. She loved Nigeria chinchin, so I also gave some chinchin also. Okay, guys, this is the finished look of the chinchin. It was so good. It was so crunchy, and it tastes so good, guys. It tastes so yummy, and it tastes so good. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a like, and don't forget to share. I appreciate you all. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.